Hello everyone, Samsung Galaxy A51 has got another new update, and this update brings all the features that we missed in the previous update. Before I tell you about this new update, please subscribe and hit the like button. Like target for this video is just 1000 likes. A couple of months back I did a video on the Samsung One UI 2.1 for the Galaxy A51, and in that update we got some new features like the music share and the quick share, but Samsung did not add new camera features which we saw on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus's update in the One UI 2.1. In this latest update for the Galaxy A51, Samsung has added those missing camera features which were previously exclusive to all those phones. The main features are in the camera app, so let's start with that only. So here, first of all, you will see the new single take feature. The single take feature is basically an AI based feature which captures over 20 different images and video clips in one go. It adds different filters and effects to the photos and videos. The camera takes a few seconds to capture your image or video and then automatically make it cool enough to share anywhere on the go. Single take works for both the front and the rear cameras, and you are taking a look at how it exactly works. Samsung has also brought the missing quick video feature. This feature allowed users to recording a video by long pressing the shutter button. There is no need for switching to the video mode every time you want to shoot a video. Just grab your phone out of your pocket and long press the shutter button to start recording a video. To capture the burst shot images after this feature, you will press and hold the shutter button and drag it to the bottom right corner of the screen, and it will capture the burst shot images. Another new feature here is the My Filters feature. This feature allowed users to picking up any image from their gallery and extract its colors to create a new custom filter. One of the most important features in this update is the phone's ability to capture a night hyperlapse. Just open the hyperlapse mode and click on this night mode button at the top to shoot a night mode hyperlapse. Remember that you need the phone on a gimbal or a tripod to capture a stable hyperlapse. My personal favorite feature in this update is the addition of new features to the Pro mode of the Galaxy A51. Previously, this phone had only 3 options in the Pro mode, which was quite useless. Now you have more options including the ISO, the shutter speed, the manual and the autofocus, and the white balance. The ISO goes all the way up to 3200, while the minimum shutter speed is 1/6000 and the maximum shutter speed is 10 seconds. Options to switch the lenses and RAW capability is still missing here. The camera app also gets a smart selfie angle feature. This feature switches to the wide or the close selfie depending on the number of people you are trying to fitting into a single selfie. The remaining features in this update pretty much remain the same. Photo group and the quick collage features made it to this phone with the Samsung One UI 2.1 update, so there is nothing new there. There is still a lot of room for Samsung to upgrade the features in the Samsung Galaxy A51, and I really hope that Samsung doesn't forget this phone and leave it down the drain after these new features which are pretty much basic. This phone deserves a lot more. Let me know what do you think about the new Samsung Galaxy A51 update. If I have missed any new feature here, make sure that you guys mention it in the comments. Like this video if you haven't yet, and subscribe if you haven't yet. With that said, I will sign off and see you all in the next video.